Education should be a tool to free you from slaveliness of poverty. Kidomo kiagerero nego twika ondoa ukora kumanana ukomboa oveni. And by the way, if you are in school today and you do not think that the education that you are taking or receiving from this school will never transform your life, there is no meaning of taking this education. Newega kumenya kithomo opens up opportunities. Kithomo ne kibingoraga mieke. Kithomo ne kibingoraga mieke ya kuthie na vau mbere, and you become better than you were when you had not received education. People should look at you and emulate you if you went to school. Ange kono ne wagiere sukuru, andwaria mata anabye sukuru, andwaria moniri okirye sukuru, ni magerero ne gukororia na makona kendo gikiuma thĩinĩ wako kumana na gĩthomo kĩrĩa we wathie kwamũkĩra sukuru. Rĩrĩa waciarirwe, like I was born, and then ũkĩthĩria kwenyu nĩ tawa ĩrĩa ya kandiri nĩyo ĩkuo gĩtanda nĩ kĩrĩa gĩa gũcura, the bold kĩrĩa kĩa mĩvira, kanoke mama. And then by the way, I was born very early, tene mũno ũgwambugire na teneo na ciarirwe niĩ irimwea. I found grass thatched houses. Na korire nyumba ciarĩ cia nyeki, and people could not afford matchbox. Kwoguo andũ arĩa engi nĩ magendaga aciari magatũma ciana kwĩ neighbor igĩre mwaki. I am sure ciana imwe iaba itianagĩra mwaki, nĩ mũgĩru mwaki nekara na nyeki kĩburutagĩrio ũguo ndũkabore ndaĩ mũkinyu. Nĩ mũmamu nyũmba ya cũcũ ya nyeki. I have been watching transformation taking place in where? Through education. Todo aciari arĩa mathomithirie ciana ciao na ndania na saina na njogo na mbembe makigendaga barefooted, matarĩ na nguo, matakũrĩa wega. Ciana ithiĩ cukuru, tukigendaga cukuru karaba 5 kilometers from Diandaza village where I was born, and by the way it has never changed in terms of distance from school. I am giving them a challenge as I am challenged. No, ni mwonu tukiuma vau na tugekũra na gĩthomo. Arĩa mamũkĩre gĩthomo, ciana iria cietĩkĩre gũthoma nĩ ciathiĩre secondary, ikĩthiĩ university na colleges, they got jobs, and those who could come back to the community to do business and invest, they have transformed the area. They have transformed the area. There are so many iron sheet houses. Others are building up, story building coming up from our area, schools and churches. And that shows there is improvement. The market itself has grown. Kithomo noake votirie ando gukuru kiakuma one level of life to another level in terms of livelihood and economic independence. So no wana wathoma no kubota kuruta wira na uwe wa kithomo kiu no vote ku achieve things that you never knew you will achieve. Education is power. Kithomo gĩkĩ tũraringĩrĩrua ũmũthĩ tũthome nĩ aciari nĩ arimũ. Kithomo gĩkĩ mũciari araringĩrĩrua ng'ang'ane nakĩo na mwana wake nebinya novoti oria ungituma mutorere waku kana mutorere wa mwana ogaroroka in a very near future. Na no makaroragia makaoragia, is it really the home of so and so? Because people have got the history of your home. Hello? Nagotire na kendo kenge. By the way, when I came back from Sundays, I have decided to talk about education. I have decided to talk about social transformation and development. Nondo ano mekerera kithomo kiu negotwika kiako materia. I want to challenge the leaders sitting here and those especially who interact with education systems. Our education that we are giving to our students need to be investigated so that we do not do things repeatedly. The curriculum na content iria turaruta thĩinĩ maskuru metu niĩ I am interested nayo nĩngwĩraga chairperson nĩ ũndũ ũrĩa nĩrathiĩre na kũu nja na ngĩrathoma gĩthomo kĩa andũ acio na ngĩra gĩkombea na gĩthomo gĩtũ. We have a long way to go. Wa mundu wanona thimo ya Samsung jarego uria wa botire kumiona no urege kumegia kumiona LG product itaka laptop kanini tu kana something. Okay, do you know when I was coming out of this country and what I have been thinking, and those products I have been thinking they are products made by people seated in companies, mostly. Those companies called Samsung. But can I tell you the truth? Because I went to the country where Samsung is the company, Varia home. Do you know that this product is a product of a Form 1 and Form 2 practical class? Do you know that the Form 1 student in South Korea and Form 2 student is able to get to a class, practical class, and make this product? Na rekania na yo ile ya Samsung company akaonekwa akwende kadie. He will present this product to Science Congress. Na goko wetu tuli na Science Congress. Science Congress isio makithie magitwara thimo icio magitwara laptop tutu kuletwa standard 1 magitwara thĩinĩ wa Science Congress. Matwara thĩinĩ wa Science Congress, they will do exhibition of those products they have done through the knowledge they have received in class and the way they have done it, and the best of all products will be selected. Those products na dimoisio isokaga ikathie market. Siauka market, who is market? Market is we in Kenya. It is we. Tugigura togora makina achieve kila makwa achieve machieve mbeza icio igendaga kuri mwana ucio wathondekire ndui wathondekire kanyamo kau akiambiriria kwiga mbia ciake akaunti-ire akigia na mbia yoraga ni maratwarithia mitoka mareka maundu mao na mari na mbia. The schools, those students who are doing chemistry, they know what's crucial. Can I tell you that they are making medicine, product, actor. Substance reaction is not just a mere reaction in the laboratory. It is a reaction that is going to come up with a product that the community is going to come to school and buy. Maukaga cukuru kugura indo iria irathondekwa ni ciana cia cukuru makaigura mbeza icio igatigwa cukuru na ni cia mwana.